Okay, welcome to my tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to send a message. So first, after signing into Gmail using your Google account, you'll come right here to this button that says Compose. As you click on it, it will open up a window of a new message. From here, you'll enter in all of your information of who you want to send your message to and what you want to say. So here we have a constructed message. Up here, up top, we have the recipient of the email, which in this case is caitlin.woolley@gmail.com. Then directly beneath is where you're going to put your message title, or in the subject line. For this, it says hello. And underneath, we have our message to our recipient. Something important to remember is that in email, you can send, by clicking this button, you can click and send attachments either from your computer or your drive, photos. This is a great way to send questions to your professors or your teacher, or as well also assignment uploads. And then when you are ready, you will come and you will click send. It'll send. Up here you can view your message that you just barely sent, or in here you have the messages that will to be read. And that is the duration of our tutorial today.